Hey guys, welcome back to DCTC. This is Amy Jo, and it's my lucky day, and it's your lucky day because my friend Kaylee is here. Say hey, Kaylee.
Hey guys.
And Kaylee is going to decorate this Lalaloopsy house with some Play-Doh Christmas decorations. Now, you may not have the same Lalaloopsy house, but I bet you have some kind of little playhouse that you can decorate with Play-Doh. Okay, so Kaylee, are you ready to get started?
I can't wait.
Okay, have fun! Oh my gosh, that is so cute! Kaylee, you did such a good job. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, it was really fun.
So what is your favorite part of it? What did you like doing the most?
I had so much fun making this thatched roof with the green and yellow.
Yeah, that turned out really cute. You are getting so good at Play-Doh.
Thank you.
I think my favorite part were the little gingerbread men that you made. Those are really cute.
I liked those. Those were actually a teddy bear with a little smiley face on top.
Oh, super creative. Well, I can't wait to hear what all of you guys think. You'll have to leave us a comment and tell us what your favorite part was. And if you want to see more Play-Doh videos like this, you can click on the like button. This is Amy Jo.
And Kaylee.
Thanks for watching.
Another video, that's the end.
Come back soon or we'll miss you, friend.
DCTC. We do toy reviews. DCTC.
And we play with Play-Doh too.
Skits, pranks, eggs and toys.
We make videos for girls and boys.
That's right.